Hey guys, on today's video we're going to do a quick unboxing and first thoughts of the God of War Ragnarok, the launch edition for the PS5. Welcome to DJT Reviews and Unboxing. On this channel we do reviews of the most common electronics, tech items, movies, you name it, we'll review it. So today we're going to do a video game, which is the most highly anticipated game of this year. It's God of War Ragnarok for the PS5. The previous version came out on the PS4 in 2018, and that was a very good game as well. But the PS5 was not out yet. So today we're going to go over the new packaging for the PS5. So this is God of War Ragnarok Launch Edition. Pre-order. It's the front, and here is the back and the UPC and the specs of the game. As you can see, this game is not for kids. There's plenty of gore, blood, and violence, intense violence, and strong language. And if you ever played God of War before, then you already know this is not for kids. So with the pre-launch edition, some people were asking what's the difference. I can just go buy it in the store. The ones that you see that wasn't pre-order doesn't come with the bonus content right here, which is the Kratos Risen Snow Armor and also Atreus Risen Snow Tunic cosmetic. So as you can see, we zoom in there, that's the difference right here. Tells you it's a one-player game. This game takes up 91 gigs of space on the PS5, so make sure you clear space or have space or external drive also for this. With all this 4K HDR, definitely going to be a high gig game. So you can see we're also new right here, the vibration functions with the trigger effect supported, so that should be good, like it was in the 2018 version, but this one has been enhanced. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up to see what's on the inside of the box. So we now open the game, and as you can see, the disc right here says God of War Ragnarok PS5. Here's the digital content that you get when you get the launch edition right here, and you have your code, which is right here, so I'm gonna cover that up. By the time you see it anyway, I will probably already have it downloaded, but this is where your code goes for the download content right here. And they let you know once it's used, you cannot claim another one. So they also give you another good game to come, the Horizon Forbidden West and The Last of Us Part 1. So that's pretty much it for the inside on the left. So we take the disc out, look right here, no scratches, and you get a look at Kratos and Atreus on the inside. And we put that back right there. So we're going to go ahead and show a comparison of the previous game. So here's the God of War for 2018, and here's the sequel to this game right here for the PS5. So they both right here came with launch edition info as well for this one. But as we compare the back real quick, like I said, the previous game was 50 gigabytes. This one is 91. So just wanted to show you guys the comparison from the old game and some of the specs. It just said DualShock before, and it was PS4 enhanced for 4K. But now on this one, see, it's vibration function, so it's been technology didn't advance with the PS5, so definitely for a greater experience. But enough of that. Let's go ahead and pop it in for the first time and see what awaits us for Kratos. Okay guys, we made it into the media room where we're going to go ahead and pop the God of War Ragnarok into the PS5. First I have to get my controller from my Stormtrooper controller holder right here. So let's go ahead and turn it on, get the controller, and pop in the game. Okay, so we then popped in God of War Ragnarok. Then we select the game from the menu. Hit the X. Letting us know right now, right off the bat, can't install. We need to free up some space. This is what I literally just said. So I'll probably have to uninstall some games. Letting me know that it has to install 91 gigs on the PS5. So let me see what games I'm going to free up, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm at this screen here where I'm trying to decide which game I need to uninstall from the hard drive in order to make room. So we have Batman Arkham Knight, Street Fighter 5, Battlefield 1, Final Fantasy 7 Remake, a few streaming apps. We have the Miles Morales, the original Spider-Man, of course some more streaming apps, the original God of War 2018, Last Guardian, Armageddon, Like a Dragon, Astro's Playroom, and Nebula Realms, Mortal Kombat 11. So gonna go through this. I have 75 gigs available, so I need 91. So I'll go through this, delete one of these games, and I'll be back again. Okay, we then freed up some space. We now have 170 gigs. I deleted Battlefield 1, so I can always go back to the PS Plus store and get that game back if I really need it. So let's go ahead and move on to the home screen and get this game started for you guys. Okay guys, we finally got the game to update. One tip I'll give you when you first put in the game is so many updates that's happened before the release. It took about at least 30 minutes to update the game details. Then it had to update the controller as well as some extra stuff. You can skip it, but it tells you that the newest features will not be available if you skip these details. So definitely want to let the game update for 30 minutes. Maybe go find something else to do. Get you some game fuel or some snacks ready for the game, because it's definitely going to take a while before it updates. But here we at the actual screen for God of War Ragnarok for the PS5. As you can see right here, shows you the God of War recap. Wanted to start a new game, your settings, and your accessibility presets. So let's go ahead and see what the recap does. It's my first time checking it out.
Boy's mother is dead.
She wanted us to spread her ashes in the highest in all the realms.
The gods of these realms don't take kindly to outsiders, trust me.
So it pretty much leaves off where 2018 God of War ended.
There's only one person alive who can get you where you need to go.
So it pretty much takes you back to this screen. Once you go through the recap and you start the new game right here, then you pretty much go from here. So guys, this is the quick unboxing and first hands-on of the God of War Ragnarok for PS5. Once I get through all the motions and walkthroughs and stuff, I'll definitely give you a review update of what I thought of the game from start to finish. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can get the new videos when they drop on the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.